See, it's a different delivery platform. You should not be wary of it, but you should know what you're getting into. So therefore, I think today when online video sites are only to a certain extent, the penetration is only what the internet penetration. YouTube visits reaches about 50 to 75 million viewers every month is what I'm being told. So if that's the space, then it doesn't hurt the channels as much. Our feeling is that as long as people are getting onto the platform and as long as this you have a significant mass, the free viewership on online will get will get reduced, and you'll get into a subscription based model. So that's the approach. If you can get into this, get rid of the free content or content being available free of cost on internet and go to the freemium model, not the ad supported model, the freemium or the subscription based model. That's what will do the trick for us, and that's the future. That's what we are all building the platforms for.
So maybe once YouTube grows to once it becomes as huge as the TV industry, you mean to say that it might become
absolutely. I would want to create at least. I would want to have different buckets. So therefore, for example, Bigg Boss. If you want to see Bigg Boss, pay me a premium, get into subscription mode, and subscribe to the content. For certain other content, I would want to keep it for free for promotion's sake. But yes, if we have to, as an industry, we have to move to the, because we're spending so much money on making of this content at there to justify the cost and to increase the return on investment in the cost. It's just a matter of time that you will get into the subscription mode, and that's what the industry is gearing up for.